Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I want to show you how I made this beautiful shutter with a wreath on top for just $5. Yes, this is part of the Dollar Tree $5 DIY Challenge Spring 2019 with our host Bumby DIY and Miss V, and they wanted us to make an awesome project with just $5, and I came up with this beautiful shutter. Let me show you how I made it. And now let me show you how I spent my $5. First, I bought this frame from the 99-cent store clearance section. Okay, the price won't show. It's $1.99 for it, and it's a frame, a photo frame, as you can see. We're gonna need some leaves and some white flowers, small ones, and some burlap or jute ribbon. I bought that one long time ago from the dollar store, really long time ago. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna spray paint our shutter in flat black. I use always Rust-Oleum, and maybe give it a dry brush. And now we're gonna take our spray painted shutter and we're gonna remove all of the frames and glasses and all of that because we want it empty to start building our wreath form. Yes, for this one we're not using a wreath shape. You can use it if you want, but that will be $6 on my project, and this was a $5 project. So if you want to use it, you can add a wreath form. I'm just using the leaves. It's easier, and I don't know, I like how it turned out. So now we're gonna start adding our ribbon to the back part of our shutter like that. And to the front part, we're going to add a dollop of glue and start building our wreath. For that, we're going to put a dollop of glue in the bottom part and in the top part of our leaf. And we're going to start adding them in a circular or circle shape. And like so, we're gonna start building a beautiful wreath on our shutter. We're gonna keep on adding leaves. For this project, we're gonna use all of the leaves you see there, because we want a round and beautiful, fluffy, if we can call it, a wreath for this shutter. And I want it to be really full. So that's why we're gonna use all of the leaves you see there. As I told you, you can use a wreath form if you want to remove it in the future. I decided I wanted to keep this like that with the leaves on it all year round because it turned out so beautiful, and I'm not be removing that. I loved it. I loved how it turned out. So we're gonna keep on adding our leaves until we finish our wreath. Just be careful, it burns. As you can see, I got burned as always. But just be careful when adding your leaves because you're only adding 2 dollops of glue, and that leaf, it's really thin, so the heat transfers to the top part. And as you can see, it's looking more fluffy, as I said. More fluffy, more full, more wreathly. If I can add a new word to the dictionary. And it's looking like a wreath. And now we ended up all of our branch. And as you can see, we have a wreath on our shutter. So we're gonna take our ribbon, add some glue it, just be really careful because it burns. And now we're gonna start adding our flowers, our beautiful small white flowers. You can pick any flower you want. I just like these ones because they look like baby's breath. I don't know if that's the name, but over here it's called baby's breath. and it's simple, and I think it gives a little cute touch, as I'm not adding the dry brush because I will explain at the end of the video why I kept it black. It really matches more all of the decor I have at home than giving it a dry brush. But if you want, you can give it a dry brush before. But I added the white flowers because it needed a pop of color, as the shutter it's all black. And now we're gonna make a beautiful bow for the top of our wreath, and that will be it. We put a bow. I'm building my bow. Okay, I'm a bow maker. But I try. And now we make our bow. As you can see, I'm making it. And we fluff that bow and we add it to the top part, and that's it. We have a beautiful shutter for our decor. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, it's huge. And this is the wreath with the flowers and the bow. It's just the cutest thing ever. And I decided to keep it black because it matches my fall fireplace. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to both of our challenge hosts. I just want to take this opportunity to thank both of them for bringing us this awesome challenge. I had so much fun. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.